In the ancient world, the skies held a profound significance, influencing not only the beliefs and rituals of early civilizations but also their scientific advancements. Among these early societies, the Babylonians stand out as pioneers in the field of astronomy, leaving behind a legacy that has shaped the course of celestial study for millennia. The religious literature of ancient Babylon provides a fascinating glimpse into the process by which the pantheon of gods was restructured to reflect changes in political and religious power. The older incantations associated with the god Ea were re-edited to elevate Marduk, the patron deity of Babylon, to supreme power. This shift was mirrored in the astronomical observations of the time, where celestial bodies were often associated with gods, reinforcing their divine importance. One of the most significant contributions of Babylonian astronomy is the development of star catalogues. During and after the Kassite rule over Babylonia, these catalogues began to take shape, collating earlier observations and divinations. Written in cuneiform script, these texts listed constellations, individual stars, and planets, marking the beginning of a systematic approach to understanding the heavens. The earliest of these catalogues, known as 3 stars each, dates back to the 12th century BCE. It represents a tripartite division of the heavens, assigning different regions to the gods Enlil, Anil, and Enki. Each month was associated with 3 stars, creating a framework that linked celestial movements to the passage of time and the changing seasons. The careful observation of the heavens led to the creation of a star list that included 36 stars, each corresponding to a specific month. Building on this foundation, Babylonian astronomers developed the Mulopin, a more comprehensive compendium that emerged around 1000 BCE. This catalogue included a detailed list of 71 stars and constellations, along with information on their heliacal risings, the path of the moon and planets, and even omens connected to their appearances. The Mulopin's significance is underscored by its influence on later Greek astronomy, with many constellation names and concepts being borrowed and adapted by the Greeks. Among the most ancient constellations listed in the Mulopin are those marking the 4 cardinal points of the year during the Middle Bronze Age: Taurus, the Bull; Leo, the Lion; Scorpius, the Scorpion; and Capricornus, the Goatfish. These constellations not only served as celestial markers but also held deep symbolic meanings, often representing deities or mythological figures. The Babylonian zodiacal constellations, many of which have survived into modern astronomy, were meticulously catalogued and linked to the gods. For instance, Aquarius, the water pourer, was associated with the water god Ea and marked the winter solstice in the early Bronze Age. Similarly, Virgo, with its main star Spica, has Babylonian precedents, being linked to the Sumerian goddess Shola. As Babylonian astronomy continued to evolve, it began to describe the positions of the sun, moon, and planets in terms of 12 equally spaced zodiacal signs, each divided into 30 degrees. This normalized zodiac, fixed to the stars and totaling 360 degrees, became the foundation for the zodiacal system we use today. In conclusion, the Babylonians not only laid the groundwork for modern astronomy but also intertwined their celestial observations with their religious and cultural beliefs. Their meticulous cataloguing of the stars and planets, coupled with their deep understanding of the heavens, has left an indelible mark on the history of astronomy, influencing civilizations across time and space.